Hey, ever felt that knot of anxiety in your stomach when a too-good-to-be-true crypto opportunity lands in your DMs? Or maybe you've just started exploring the exciting world of digital assets and feel a little overwhelmed by the constant warnings about scams. You're not alone. The rapid growth of the cryptocurrency market has, unfortunately, also attracted its fair share of bad actors. But fear not. Today, we're diving deep into how you can protect yourself in this digital frontier, drawing on the expertise of a leading name in the crypto space, Gemini. Gemini, known for its commitment to security and compliance, offers valuable insights into navigating the often murky waters of crypto security. Think of them as seasoned navigators sharing their best practices for avoiding treacherous reefs. We're not just going to list generic advice, we'll explore actionable strategies, real-world examples, and the kind of vigilance that can make all the difference between a successful crypto journey and a costly mistake. So, buckle up, because we're about to equip you with the knowledge to spot and sidestep those sneaky crypto scams. Let's start with a fundamental principle: be skeptical of unsolicited offers. Imagine walking down the street and a stranger walks up, promising you unbelievable returns on an investment with zero risk. You'd likely raise an eyebrow, right? The same logic applies in the digital realm. Crypto scams often begin with unsolicited messages, emails, DMs on social media, or even random messages on messaging apps like Telegram or WhatsApp. These messages frequently promise guaranteed high returns, free crypto giveaways, or early access to promising new projects. Think about it. Legitimate crypto projects and platforms don't typically cold message individuals with such offers. They build their communities through official channels, transparent communication, and verifiable information. So, if someone you don't know is promising you the moon in the crypto world, your first instinct should be a healthy dose of skepticism. Don't click on any links or share any personal information. Instead, independently verify the legitimacy of any project or platform through official websites and trusted sources. Next up, understand the anatomy of common crypto scams. Just like a doctor needs to understand a disease to treat it, you need to understand the different types of crypto scams to recognize and avoid them. Let's look at a few common culprits. Pump and dump schemes. These involve artificially inflating the price of a low-value cryptocurrency, the pump, through misleading positive statements and hype. Once unsuspecting investors buy in, the orchestrators of the scheme sell off their holdings, causing the price to crash, the dump, leaving everyone else with significant losses. Be wary of coins with sudden, unexplained price surges and excessive hype on social media, especially if it's coupled with pressure to buy quickly. Rug pulls. This is a more malicious type of scam, particularly prevalent in the decentralized finance, DeFi, space. Project creators build hype around a new token or platform, attract investors, and then suddenly disappear with the funds, leaving the token worthless. Look for projects with transparent and publicly known teams, audited smart contracts, and a strong community presence. Be cautious of anonymous teams or projects with little to no public information. Phishing attacks. Just like traditional email phishing, crypto phishing involves tricking you into revealing your private keys, passwords, or other sensitive information. This can happen through fake websites that look identical to legitimate exchanges or wallets, or through emails and messages impersonating official entities. Always double-check the website address, look for the padlock icon and ensure it's the correct URL, and never share your private keys with anyone. Remember, legitimate platforms will never ask for your private keys. Impersonation scams. Scammers often impersonate well-known figures or official support channels on social media. They might offer fake giveaways or claim to be able to help with account issues, all in an attempt to steal your funds or information. Always verify the authenticity of accounts and be extremely cautious of anyone asking for direct transfers or your login credentials. Investment scams. These often involve promises of guaranteed high returns through complex or poorly understood investment strategies. They might involve staking pools, lending platforms, or arbitrage opportunities that sound too good to be true. Remember the golden rule: if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Now that we've looked at some common scams, let's focus on Gemini's recommended prevention tips. These are practical steps you can take to bolster your crypto security. 1. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, everywhere. This is a non-negotiable security measure. 2FA adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts by requiring a second verification step, usually a code from your phone, in addition to your password. Gemini strongly advocates for using a time-based one-time password, TOTP, app like Authy or Google Authenticator, which are more secure than SMS-based 2FA. Enabling 2FA significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your accounts, even if your password is compromised. 2. Use strong and unique passwords. This might sound like basic internet security advice, but it's crucial in the crypto world where the stakes are high. Avoid using easily guessable passwords or reusing passwords across multiple platforms. A strong password should be long, complex, and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a reputable password manager to securely store one and generate unique passwords for all your crypto-related accounts. 1. www.mcubetechnologies.com www.mcubetechnologies.com 3. Be vigilant against phishing. We touched on this earlier, but it's worth reiterating. Always double-check the URLs of websites you visit, especially crypto exchanges and wallet providers. Bookmark legitimate sites to avoid accidentally clicking on fake links. Be wary of emails or messages asking you to click on links or provide sensitive information. If you receive a suspicious communication, independently verify its legitimacy by contacting the official support channels of the platform in question. Never enter your login credentials or private keys on a website you're not 100% sure about. 4. Secure your devices. Your computer and phone are gateways to your crypto holdings. Ensure they are protected with strong passwords or biometric security, fingerprint or facial recognition. Keep your operating systems and software up to date with the latest security patches. Be cautious about downloading software or clicking on links from untrusted sources. Consider using reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to protect your devices from malicious threats. 5. Understand what you're investing in. Never invest in a cryptocurrency or project you don't fully understand. Take the time to research the technology, the team behind it, the use case, and the potential risks involved. Don't rely solely on hype or endorsements from social media influencers. Look for white papers, roadmaps, and independent analyses. If you can't explain what a project does, you probably shouldn't be investing in it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.